Where are we going?
We're going to Key West.
It's too early for this shit.
But we're doing it. We are en route to the Florida Keys and just enjoying a little bit of a road trip. We got some snacks for the drive and wanted to share something with y'all. So this is mushroom jerky. Okay. It's by this company.
It's vegan.
It's by this company called Eat the Change. I think that's what it is. Okay, but yeah, Hickory Smokehouse mushroom jerky, and we are gonna try it. It's like mushroomy. Like it's kind of a little foul, but we're gonna do this because I paid like $5 freaking for the bag. So, cheers.
I can't.
Oh God, it's so bad. Where's the freaking paper towel? We had to get like that out of our mouths immediately because that was just so disgusting. So don't buy that if you have taste buds. That was
vegan people. Even vegan people won't like that shit, dude.
That was just it was just not good. I'm sorry. I just know. Okay, so we're gonna try something else now. This is Epic brand chicken crisps. They're oven baked with free range chicken, coconut flour, and premium spices.
Premium.
Okay, so we are gonna give these a whirl. So these are like literally made from chicken, and it's like a chicken Pringle. Like
I feel like it's not natural for chicken to be flat.
Okay, well we're gonna try this. Cheers. You can't eat it without dapping me.
I can't crunch it. It's kind of breaking my teeth a little bit. It tastes like a dog treat. It tastes like a hot peppered dog treat. The pepper's burning my throat. She likes it. Do you want mine?
No, it's edible, but it's so peppery. It's like
eating a pepper shaker. Why?
I mean, the flavor is cracked pepper, but I didn't think it would be like that. Damn, we are not doing well in the snack category. So maybe we can have some redemption. These are the up from the ground cheddar cauliflower stalks. They look promising, but I'm kind of scared. Cheers.
Those are good.
Yeah, these are the winner.
9-10 recommend. The only thing for me, she likes them. They're like 10-10 for her. The only thing for me is that they're too cauliflowery, but it's good though still. It's still good.
Greetings from Key West, y'all. It's a beautiful day here in the Keys, and we're at the Southernmost Point in the continental United States. So we don't know if you can hear us. It is kind of wavy and loud, but it's beautiful here.
It's windy.
We are walking to the buoy with the Southernmost Point.
Southernmost.
The little thing everyone has to come and take their picture with. It really is such a cool city, Key West. I mean, it's more than a city. It's actually like a little island, and it feels like its own little nation within the United States. We got chocolate covered Twinkies from world famous Kilwins. Yeah. So, oh, you didn't cheers me, bitch.
Oh,
Cheers.
yep.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my god. Granted, we just had a lot of alcohols.
It was so good. Do y'all see this? It was so good. Yeah.
It is windy, but we're trying our best out here.
I'm really trying.
Oysters in Key West, guys. This is the ultimate taste test.
Oh, okay. So you can't do it without hot sauce, though. I have to have a little dash of hot sauce.
Oh. I've never done that, so I can't say anything.
And I have to squeeze a lemon.
We're walking to the Creperie, which is a bomb-ass crepe place in Key West, and they make them sight unseen, and it's pretty fire. So the last time that I was here, it took me like an hour and a half to find it. This time we're good.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait to eat a crepe. I want a crepe in my mouth.
Yeah, they have like savory and sweet. It's super yummy. So we're gonna take you guys there with us. We're at the Creperie. We just got a fire crepe. It's chocolate ganache with strawberries and bananas. And I haven't had this place in years, so I'm excited. Let's try this baby. And there's bananas on the inside and ooh, you guys.
We're gonna get in a little closer.
Oh my god, how am I gonna eat this? This is gonna be messy, okay? Just a disclaimer, if you don't like messy bites, this isn't for you.
You got it all in your mouth, so.
That was the easy part, oh my god. If you're ever in Key West, please come to La Creperie. So good. It's on Petronia Street. There's people behind us doing some construction shit or something, and that's why it's loud. We're sorry in advance. This is Kristen's first time eating a crepe from here.
I've had crepes before, but this one is supposedly legendary.
Key West crepes.
We're
gonna find out. This is her first bite of a Key West crepe.
Or I just like dug into like a banana part, so I know that's gonna be good. It's kind of hard to assemble your bite because it's a freaking crepe.
It falls apart before you can even eat it, dude.
Like it takes a little bit of finesse. So I don't know if this is the best like trunk food.
Some people fold it and eat it with their hand.
We are not some people.
Yep. What would you rate it?
It's pretty good. The crepe is thin, but it also has a nice spongy texture.
We got a whole ass pineapple, guys, with fruit in it. Alright, this is the first time Chris is trying key lime pie on a stick covered in chocolate. That's crazy.
I'm so excited.
Ooh, look at that shit. You can even see the crust, dude. Is it good? Yes. 10 out of 10.
I'm speechless.
If you guys know me, you know I have to have a mojito everywhere I go. This is amazing. I'd say 8.5 out of 10. I've only had 2 10-10s, but this is really good though. Going to get breakfast at the hotel. It's too early. So I'm wearing my Elton John glasses I got last night for $10. Yes, that's right. $10 for these bitches. Ooh, waffles. Oh, here's the smoked salmon. Girl, I told you they got some smoked salmon. And they have a whole cheese tray. Oh my god. Bacon's my jam. Alright guys, we're coming at you from Old Town Manor in Key West, downtown, near Duval Street. And we have a bomb breakfast spread, and Kristen's going to taste what looks like a almond and powdered sugar croissant. Is that how you say it?
Croissant.
The American croissant.
If you're French, please correct us.
Croissant, I think that's how I did it.
Should
right.
I just like go it? I don't know.
You can eat it however you want, girl. This is America.
It's my vacation. Alright, you guys. Cheers.
We're about to step out on these bikes today and go for a bike ride, but first, because we're in our 30s, take your vitamins, y'all. Literally, or you will die. I rode my bicycle. Alright guys, we're at the Southernmost Beach Cafe in Key West by the Southernmost Point, and we got some fresh made pina coladas. Kristen got a key lime colada.
So
They're
good.
freaking good. And the price is not bad. It's like what, 13 bucks or something. That's pretty standard for here. And if you want a daiquiri, don't go to the pre-mixed places. They're all sugar. Don't go to Fat Tuesday. Come to a place like this and get it blended on site because it's on point. All right, key lime shots, guys. Graham cracker crust on the rim.
So good.
It's strong. Nitrogen ice cream, bro. Guys, Kristen got a espresso martini with Bailey's in it. How is it?
It's strong.
Super strong?
Very strong. But I'm gonna drink it because
We paid for it.
yeah.
Yeah, mojito. Watermelon. Alright, so we're at Speaks Clam Bar. So this is my third or fourth mojito this week that I'm trying. And I'm going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 again. We'll see. That's a 9 out of 10 right there. It's Fred the tree. Fred. It looks like a Fred. I just dropped Kristen off at the airport. I'm sad. It's like you wait 3 years to see your friend and you have like 5.5 days together. It just goes by so damn fast, guys. So if you get a chance to spend time with your friends or family and you don't get to see them often, make the most of it because a week goes by super freaking quick.